Connecting your Android tablet to a Bluetooth speaker is a two-step process. First, you'll need to put the speaker in pairing mode, and then we'll use the tablet to connect to it. Every speaker is slightly different, but usually the process is the same. You'll first power on the speaker, and then find a Bluetooth or pairing button that puts the speaker in pairing mode. On my JBL speaker, there's a Bluetooth button on the top, and I can just tap that to put the speaker in pairing mode. A lot of speakers will start blinking or playing a sound that indicates that they're in pairing mode and ready to accept incoming connections. Now that the speaker is ready, we can use the tablet to connect. You can pull down the quick settings by swiping down from the top right corner, and then you can tap and hold the Bluetooth icon to view nearby devices. I'll get a message saying my tablet is scanning for Bluetooth devices, and pretty quickly it discovers my speaker. I'll tap the speaker and then confirm that I want to connect to it. And boom, we're done. Now, whatever audio I play, it plays on my Bluetooth speaker, and I can control the volume either on the tablet or by using the volume buttons on my speaker. You can also control all this in your settings. Under Settings, you'll go to Connections, and from there, tap Bluetooth. You'll see all the devices that are currently connected, as well as all available devices that are nearby. I can go to the settings of my speaker here, and in this menu I can rename, disconnect, or unpair the speaker. And that's how you connect to a Bluetooth speaker. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.